How to create or open OVO account online. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll learn how to create or open an OVO account online. So let's dive right into the steps. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser on your device and in the search bar type OVO sign up and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the various websites. You need to click on the initial one that is indicating register here to receive your OVO live account benefits. Click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. Within the portal, you will be prompted to enter your first name, your last name, your account number, and the title as well. Once you have completed this step, you will then be required to provide the additional personal and residential details. Ensure that you follow each step carefully to successfully navigate through the sign-up process. Upon completing all the necessary steps, you will then notice a sign-in button at the top of the page. Simply click on it with a single tap to proceed to the sign-in page for your OVO live account. Here, you will need to enter your email address and the password in the first and the second field. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future logins, simply check this box of Remember Me. And in the case if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link in order to successfully reset your password. For that, you have to simply enter the email address and click on Send, and it will send you a link in your particular email address that is associated with your OVO live account, and from there you will be able to successfully reset your password. Now, after entering the correct form of your email address and the password in the first and the second field, click on the sign in button highlighted in green color in order to successfully log into your OVO live account. And that's a wrap for this video tutorial to learn how to create or access your OVO live account online. Your online account management just got easier. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.